Hi loves, welcome back to our channel. This is Jerry, and for today's Mystery Monday, we're going to be unboxing these Kawaii Sanrio themed mystery boxes. Alright, let's get right into it. So we've got 6 different mystery boxes from 2 different series. We have 4 of these, and these are from the Unicorno times Hello Kitty and Friends. And these are so cute. It's TokiDoki, the Unicorno from TokiDoki times Hello Kitty. And it's so cute that each Sanrio character was given a different Unicorno. And they're all like riding the unicorn, and I think that is so cute and beautiful. And yeah, I'm so super excited about these. I got these at Hot Topic. I got them on the website hottopic.com. I'll put a link to exactly these boxes so that you can get them if you're interested in one. And I don't remember the price because I know that they were on sale, but I'll link that below for you to check it out. So yeah, there's gonna be, you can obviously it's going to be a mystery which one is in the box, but these are the options for which item you might get. There's going to be Gudetama, Hello Kitty, Little Twin Stars, Lala, Little Twin Stars Kiki, Pom Pom Purin, Karopi, My Melody, Kuromi, Botsmaru, or I don't know how to pronounce his name, so I'm gonna try, but if you guys could help me, I would really appreciate it. I believe it's Hangyodon? I'm not sure. But it also tells you, like, kind of has a little indicator of the Unicorno that they're riding. So I'm really excited about these. And then the second series that we have today is this Sanrio Characters Party. And this one I had seen a lot online and I was really excited to get one. But this one I haven't seen anything about this release online. And I don't know if it was even released in America because it's mostly Japanese. This one was $11.99 and I got it at a local like Kawaii store in Burbank, California, and the store is called Neko Stop. So I'll put a link to their Instagram because I don't believe they have a website, but I know they have an Instagram. So I'll put a link to their Instagram in the description box so that you guys can check them out. So with this one, these are the options for what you can get. And there's like a few Hello Kitties, some My Melodies, and 3 Kuromis, and then a secret. And this one, they had the whole box out at the store, and on top they had opened one and it was Kuromi, and it was so cute, and that's what convinced me to buy this because I really love Kuromi. So they're kind of pricey, but I grabbed a couple because I don't know, I thought it would help my odds of hopefully getting Kuromi. But if I didn't get Kuromi, then I know that I would be happy with My Melody because I would give it to my twin, and also my twin loves Hello Kitty, so I could give her that. So when I buy mystery boxes, I try to buy something where I would be happy with most of the outcomes. I don't like to get a box where I'm only gonna like one thing. So yeah, I'm sure I'll be happy with whatever I get. So let's go ahead and start opening them. Since we only have 2 of this Sanrio Characters Party, I'm going to go ahead and open this one first. So this one has this little area here where I'm guessing you just pull this tab and that will open the box. They put a little bit of tape on here, so I'm just gonna pull the tape off first so that I can open this one. Well, there you go. So I think you just grab this tab and pull like that. Okay, and it looks like there's like a little mystery bag inside. Like they really want to make this a mystery, no peeking. Whoa, okay, so it came in 2 parts. This thing is huge and it's so heavy. This is like really nice. This is a nice quality figure. It's definitely worth the price. I see that now. So we got, let's see in the side of the box which one we got. We got this one, which is Cake Chef. Well, like surprise gift. Cool, so we got Hello Kitty. That's not bad. I'm gonna give this one to my twin. I know she'll love it. It says Cake Chef, and she has this beautiful like birthday cake looking thing. I don't know. This is really nice. So let's go ahead and open the next one. I'm gonna just put this down right here. Should I open this? Yeah, let me open it really quick for you guys. Okay, so here's the cake. Super cute. Really happy with that one. All right, next box. We're just gonna do the same thing and pull right here. Huh, this one has a little, what do you call these? I think it's like a humidity, I don't know, poison bag. And then again, the same bag, so I'm gonna pull this out. Oh, and this one has a little card in it. You know what? This first box was taped and it didn't have the little poison bag and it didn't have this card, so maybe they might have opened it, but the bag was closed, so that's all that matters. Alright, so let's look at the card first. It says Sanrio Characters Party. Oh. So I think this card is letting us know that the one that we got in here is this one. The Let's Party, the green one. Which is really funny because that's the only one I didn't like because I'm not a big fan of green. But oh well, let's go ahead and check it out. Yeah, so the card tells you which one it is, and I'm trying to be optimistic, but I'm a little bummed because I don't really care for any of the two figures that I got, but oh well. Let's open this up because I think you stick it in her hand and I want to show that to you guys. So this balloon like goes right into this hole in her hand. If I can just get this. Wow, that's not very easy to do. Okay, for fear of breaking it, I'm just gonna put it aside and see if my twin or my husband can help me with this later. But it's cute though. I mean, it's not ugly. It's just, I would have really loved to get a Kuromi. But I mean, hopefully I can go back soon and try again. So I'm gonna put these aside and let's go ahead and start opening the Unicorno Sanrio boxes. So I'm going to start with this box here, and hopefully we have better luck. Like, personally, obviously I would die if I got Kuromi. She's my favorite. I want her. My Melody, I want her too because that's my twin's favorite. Pom Pom is cute. I love Bots. I'm not a fan of his or Kuropi that much, but my mom has a friend that loves Kuropi, so I would give her that. And then Gudetama, obviously I love the egg. My twin loves Hello Kitty, and I love Kiki Lala. This is not a toy, this is collectible art, just so you know. Oh, and the retail price is right there, $12.90. So let's go ahead and open it, see what we got. This one doesn't have like any convenient little spot to pull. So I think we just gotta pull this up and rip the box. And it's so pretty too. It's a shame that you have to rip it there. So this one also comes in a little bag. This is like a little silvery metallic-y bag. Let's go ahead and pull that out. Oh, and it also has a card in it. Alright, so the little card says Unicorno times Hello Kitty and Friends. And it says TokiDoki means sometimes in Japanese. I chose the Japanese word because I love Japan. I love everything from the ultra-modern happy face of Shibuya to the serious magic silence of Kyoto. I chose sometimes because everyone waits for moments that change one's destiny. By simple chance or meeting a new person, TokiDoki is the hope, the hidden energy everyone has inside that gives us the strength to face a new day and dream something positive, that something magical will happen to us. Ciao, or ciao. My name is Simone Legno. I am an artist from Rome, Italy. So that's the artist that drew these TokiDoki designs. And that's really cool. When I visited Japan, I was able to go to Shibuya. I stayed in Shinjuku, which is kind of close to Shibuya, but I never got to visit Kyoto, and I would love to someday. So inside here's a little graphic of all the possibilities, and it says, the Unicornos were once simple little ponies that were out trotting and wandering into a magic waterfall. Passing through the waterfall, the ponies transformed into unicorns and found a hidden magical kingdom. The unicorns live between the magic kingdom and our world. Isn't that so cool? I just love this. And I love this little art piece. I'm going to keep it. So let's go ahead and open the bag up and see who we got. Ah, we got Lala. so happy with this. Like, so beyond. Look at the stars on her tail. This is so detailed. This is really an art piece. Like, this is gorgeous. Look at this. I'm honestly so happy I got Lala. I really love her. I love Little Twin Stars. It's honestly one of my favorite characters. And Lala's the best. So I'm so excited about this one. Hopefully we get Kiki too. So I'm going to put her down and just start opening the rest of the boxes. We got Gudetama. Oh my god, this one is so interesting. It's like clear. Ooh. And Gudetama's like holding on for dear life. He's so cute. He's like sweating even. I think he's scared to be on the unicorn. And it has a little TokiDoki. He is so cute. It's like a donut and he has little donut ears. And then on this side, he has the little donut ears again, but he's like with the little bacon on top of him laying on his egg whites. This is so adorable. I'm honestly so happy with these two. Yay! I'm so happy so far. So, I mean, I didn't get what I wanted out of these two, but I'm super happy with these so far at least. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna actually just arrange these really quickly on here so it doesn't look all crazy. Alright, let's move on. Okay, this bag is a little bit different because the other bags were like perforated at the top. So this one, oh, here it is. It has a tiny little notch right here to pull. Pom Pom Purin! He's not one of my most favorite Sanrio characters, but I do like him and I do think he's cute. So I'm not upset with this one. I'm actually happy with it. And look how cute the unicorn is wearing the same little hat like Pom Pom wears, and he has his little like kitty friend on there. How cute. Alright, last one. Wish me luck, guys. And I wish I was better at opening these boxes. I'm so bad at it. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm doing. Another Lala. Okay. For some reason, I didn't even fathom, I didn't even think of the idea that I would get doubles. Like, I don't know how I didn't think that I could get doubles, but... So I'm genuinely shocked by this one, but yay, we got doubles. I think I can give the extra to my twin sister, or I can give it to my little niece, Becca, because she really likes twin stars and she really likes... Well, she is a twin. It's funny because she's a twin and her twin is a boy, so I always call them like twin stars, little Kiki, Lala. So Rebecca and Mason, I might just give this one to Becca so she can have in her room. If you're watching, love you, Becca. So, I don't know. We'll see. So, that's all of them. At the end of the day, I would say I'm not too happy about these because personally, I wanted Kuromi really bad, or at least my Melody. But it's not bad. They're not ugly. They're cute. They're good quality. They're heavy. And they're very nice figures to have. If you were a Hello Kitty fan, these would be great for you. Now for the TokiDoki, I love them. I love all the detailing. I love the idea, and I'm really happy with the ones that I got. I think I'm gonna buy some more of these boxes just so I can try to get the other characters, but I'm still happy with what I got. Personally, I would say that the Lala is the best one because it's the most detailed. It has like the little stars everywhere, and I just feel like it has more detail than say this. This is just a clear, but it's still interesting. Oh, look at the back. It has Kiki and Lala. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up and to subscribe. And let us know what you want to see for the next Mystery Monday. And yeah, love you guys lots. See you in the next one.